With your Facebook cover photo in 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply private your Facebook cover video. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Facebook application on your mobile phone devices. Once you are there, you're going to go into the Facebook front page or your profile main page. You can go there by clicking or tapping on the left hand side corner, top corner, and which your profile picture is being shown. Once you go over there, you'll have to go into the cover page. So once you go over there, you need to upload a picture. So I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna select the image that I want to upload. So this is the image, for example, if I want to upload. So here it is. Now after selecting and sizing the image, now I have an option to share your update to news feed just below the screen or at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to uncheck that, and hence when I'll save or tap on save option, my upload or my cover photo would upload. Once it has been uploaded, I will see that no notification has been served or nothing has been made official. So this is how I private my Facebook cover photo from other people. So this is how I do it. This is how I private my Facebook cover photo. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.